Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I gave you some updates about my YouTube monetization journey and all that, and I think I'm going to create a whole playlist on my journey to monetization to help. Okay, so finally the good news and the bad news. Well, you've seen the bad news already on the title, but the good news is that I got monetized and got welcomed heartily into the YouTube partner program on the 15th till the 17th of February. And I got making money, and I have money already now coming in. Like, I'm excited. But I lost monetization also on the 20th of March.
Oh my God.
Everything that's happened running up to that is what I want to tell you in this video. So if you're up for it, don't go anywhere. So in December of 2024, if you're aware, if you're an OG of this channel, I started a 30 days challenge to do live streaming every day in December. But I did about 24 days. I couldn't do all the days, and I gave myself a huge pat on the back because I needed to resurrect and to reset this channel, because I was just out of YouTube jail, where I was kind of jailed for 90 days for going against the community's regulations, and I got a copyright strike, 2 of them in August, and then went through the YouTube Academy, passed it, and then I was put on a 90 days trial, more like watch list. After that punishment in November, I told myself, girl, you have to resurrect this channel, because the channel felt like dead. I'm not even joking, guys. I couldn't do most of things anymore. I couldn't do live stream, I couldn't pin a comment, I couldn't do so many things. I couldn't put a relevant video in my short video. I couldn't even do a live, like I couldn't even do a short. A lot of things. So I said, YouTube, you've forgiven me, so why is my channel cricket? Like, I couldn't get anything. I had the option, 2 options: continue reworking this channel like you just started it afresh, or start a new channel. And I thought about the gruesome work I have put in for 2 years plus on this channel, and I said I was going to work it. No matter how long it took me to gain back momentum, I was going to do that. So I decided in December I was going to come do content every day, and the easiest way was to do live videos, because of course I won't have to go through the hassles of editing and all that. So in between travels and all, I was able to do a cumulative about 24 days. They are all on this playlist, right? And that was something that I had. That was the first time I was doing that in my life. And I said, going live every day, I gave myself a huge part. My channel picked up a bit. By January, I was sure I wanted to go on this 30 days journey again, but I couldn't till about 23rd of January. On the 22nd, I told myself, girl, as usual, you are going to put yourself accountable and you're going to do it. Anyway, so on 23rd of January, I started another 30 days journey. It's right here on the channel. It's called Being Chisom. I started to tell my business story for 30 days, and that was a wow. Within that period, oh my gosh. Within that period, the later part of that 30 days program, I got an invitation to join the YouTube partner program. It was working. I had hit 3,000, and of course I already have 1,000 subscribers, which even got me to that problem in the first place. Anyway, let's leave the bad news behind. And I was super excited because, in case you didn't know, there are 2 levels of monetizing on YouTube right now. You can monetize on the first level, where you have at least 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and then you'll be able to get to the next level, which is the ultimate one, where you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I had already gotten 1,000 subscribers, surpassing the subscriber count for the first level, but I hadn't gotten to 3,000 watch hours. So that was the time I got to 3,000 watch hours on the 15th of February, and it was so exciting, guys. It was like a Valentine gift to me, because why not? And then I went ahead to follow their prompt, took the theme, got my accent fixed. I used to have an AdSense account when I was a blogger. I mean, AdSense was paying me when I was a blogger, but I was not sure to log in and all that. But they were able to fix it. They were able to merge it and give me a brand new account, and I was super excited. And then they asked me to give them about a month, but I knew it wouldn't take up to a week. 2 days after, I got accepted fully into the YouTube partner program. I could now make money from people purchasing supers on my live stream, super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and also I could make money from people joining my membership on my this channel. And of course, you can also still join right now. And also I could connect my Shopify store or any other store I have for people to buy my merchandise fully. Those were the things I qualified for, and I was super excited. You all were there with me. You supported me. My people who come for my live stream every day supported me a lot. I got the very first day I got $10, and usually I need $10 to be able to get to the point where I can verify my address, get a physical pin, and get ready for being paid. I did all of that, but what I didn't remember was that, let me give you guys the tea. Sometime in 2004, exactly on the 10th of March, I published a video, and that video was about the business lessons I learned from Vicky James and Moses Blizz's wedding. And that video went viral. That was the most viral video I have done on this channel. It got me 30,000 in just a few days. Yes, you heard right. And with 30,000 came about 2,800 and something watch hours. So you can tell that most of what I had in that 3,000 watch hours I had was from that singular video. Yes, this is how YouTube works. Is a compound effect for me, right? And I didn't quite realize that this was going to be 1 year after. Now, if you also didn't know, YouTube monetizes you within a 1 year window, where the videos you're making in the 365 days bracket is what they will use to judge your 3,000 watch hours. So it's not going to be cumulative of all your watch hours for all the videos on all the years. But I forgot that. I woke up on the 10th of March and I discovered that my videos had lost, my watch hour was now in 1,000 something. And this was the week I was expecting to receive my PIN. I made sure my address was on point. I had to go write, get my husband to write the number of our streets on our on our building, because there was no number there, so that the delivery men can find it easily. I was expectant. When this thing dropped to 1,800 and something, I said, oh my God. I went to research and I found out that YouTube will not remove it from the program immediately because your watch hour has dropped, but they'll give you a few days or maybe a few weeks depending on the work you're putting in. So I continued my live video and all that, but every day it was dropping from 1,000 something to 1,200 to 800 to 700, and I think it's 700. Guys, that's where I need your help. Right now, I barely have any watch hours at all. And am I giving up? No way, because I know you're here for me. Now, 2 days ago on the 20th, I got a message, which of course is generic, saying I have been withdrawn from the program and I should ask further questions, I should reapply and all that. And I understood perfectly why. Because at this point, I understand how YouTube works, okay? So I have the next 365 days riding with you to build this channel back to monetization and then reapplying. I have already made $13, guys. Yes, you guys are so amazing. Thank you so much. And if you join a membership, you can still join mine. You can still buy a super sticker, and you can still watch my live stream so we can get the income up, right? Okay, now if this was an eye-opener for you, go ahead and ask me further questions in the comment section, because trust me, I have learned so much about YouTube than I have ever done since I first started it in 2017. Go ahead and watch this video and get more facts, and I'll see you in that video.